Here at the Wellsville Intermodal Facility, these trucks are moving thousands of pounds of limestone that will then get loaded onto barges and shipped down the Ohio River. The limestone will get from the trucks to the barges via this 60-ton crane.
It has two hoists in it which will pick 30 ton apiece, and it was actually designed to move cargo.
Larry Heck is the owner of Pier 48 Stevedoring, who oversees the onloading and offloading of products at the facility.
The last couple months it's picked up. We went through a period of about a year and a half, which was a down period, which was for a lot of people. But now we see an upsurge in use of barite, which is used in the oil field industry.
But the 60-ton isn't the only crane operating here. Last September, the Columbiana County Port Authority unveiled this new hybrid lift crane, which is capable of moving about 800 tons of material an hour.
If you can see that crane bucket over there, that's only actually a 4-yard bucket, and it'll lift 20 tons.
The Port Authority is hoping the crane will help them get more business from the oil and gas industry. Penny Trena is its executive director.
We are geographically placed right in the center of two cracker plants being built, one in Monaca, Pennsylvania, and if the one in Belmont County commits, we'll be smack dab in the middle of that. So we hope to be able to utilize a lot of those downstream industries and offload all of those cargo, all of the cargo, and capture all of that.
We're sitting here on the barge, which is actually 55 feet by 200, which the Manston crane been put in place to operate. The crane actually will lift these lids off that you see behind me. They come off in sections, and it exposes the material, and then we start digging it, clamshelling it up, and putting it into the hopper up there.
It may sound like a lot of work, but shipping products by river is actually more efficient than you might think.
The equivalent to one barge is 16 rail cars, and the equivalent of that is 70 semi-trucks. So you can certainly move the commodity faster and quicker and more inexpensive on the river.
There is actually room to add on to the conveyor system, so we can bring in business, and in my view is to look at and put in a facility, a warehouse that's going to create labor jobs like bagging and sorting and things like that, loading out materials.
We're in the process of marketing the Ohio River along with our economic development partners up and down the Ohio River. We're forming Ohio Valley Ports Council, and what that will allow us to do, currently we cannot collect the United States Army Corps of Engineers statistics on the cargo that is moved up and down the river. Once we become that designation, we'll be able to tap into those statistics, and that will assist us with leveraging the folks in Washington to get grants and loans and funds, and also to be able to promote our businesses up and down the Ohio River.
717 Business Loans, from commercial mortgages to SBA loans or lines of credit and equipment and vehicle loans. 717 Business Loans, big and small. We've done them all.